Dymax Troubleshooting Series, recognizing the 3 types of bond failure. If you are having bond failure, it is most likely due to one of the 3 primary failure types: adhesive, cohesive, or substrate failure. To determine which type is occurring, you'll need to examine the bond joint upon failure. When the joint separates, what happens to the adhesive? If it remains on just one substrate, you are experiencing adhesive failure. The adhesive has more chemical and/or mechanical attraction to one substrate than the other. This is the most common failure when bonding dissimilar substrates. To overcome adhesive failure, the adhesion to the second substrate should be increased. This may be accomplished by surface treating it, applying a primer, or selecting a different adhesive altogether. If, upon joint separation, the adhesive remains on both substrates, you are experiencing cohesive failure. This is the most common failure when the adhesive is too weak for the intended application. In this case, you should change your adhesive to one with higher tensile strength or a more flexible adhesive, which may give instead of tearing. The last failure to consider is substrate failure, which occurs when your substrate fails prior to bond failure. To overcome substrate failure, a more flexible adhesive can be selected to compensate for a less than optimum joint design. This can increase the strength of the overall device. For more help with your adhesive issues, contact any of our global application engineering teams.